Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see new topic, microscopy. First of all, what is microscopy? Microscopy is the act of using a microscope to view tiny things that cannot be seen with the unaided eye. Or microscopy is the science of using microscope, which involves magnifying objects which cannot be seen with the naked eye. First of all, we need to know about the what is microscope. A microscope is an instrument used for looking at objects that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Classification of microscopes or types of microscopes. First, optical microscopy or light microscopy is the microscopic technique that uses transmitted visible light, either natural or artificial, for developing the image of an object. It is the most common type of microscopy. It is further classified into several groups: bright field, dark field, phase contrast, fluorescence, and confocal microscopy. Second, electron microscopy. It is a term of TEM and SEM. Third, scanning probe microscopy. Fourth, X-ray microscopy. Microscopy terms. Magnification is the process of producing an enlarged image of a specimen by using a lens system. What is magnifying power? Magnifying power is determined by multiplying the power of objective lens and ocular lens. Objective lens into ocular lens equal to magnification. Resolving power. Ability to distinguish two adjacent objects as separated and distinct images rather than as a blurred image, which depends on wavelength of light, numerical aperture of condenser, and numerical aperture of objective lens. Refractive index can be defined as velocity of light in a vacuum to velocity of light in a medium. Simply, it is the measure of bending of a light ray when passing from one medium to another medium. Best image is obtained by opening the iris 2/3 and adjusting the lamp brightness to give illumination with the minimum glare. Today's question: what is microscope? What is resolving power? Thank you for your watching. Share your thoughts in the comment box about this video. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.